Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect Blaze with your GoHighLevel account. This will fully automate the blog writing and publishing process. Keep in mind that any connections that you make with your Autopilot account automatically enables auto scheduling and posting to that specific platform. Keep that in mind as you connect additional platforms to Autopilot. To get started, click Brand Kit from the sidebar to bring up the integrations category. Then click New Integration. Click Connect on the GoHighLevel card to start the connection process. You may be prompted to log in to GoHighLevel first. If this happens, simply follow the prompts to log in before proceeding. Afterwards, you'll be taken to a page with a list of permissions that Blaze is requesting in order to auto-post on your behalf. Review them and then click Next to proceed. Then you'll be prompted to select the sub-account that you're providing access to. I'm going to select my coffee shop, Urban Roasters. You would select your business here. After Blaze handshakes with GoHighLevel in the background, you'll return to Blaze to confirm your account on Blaze's side. Select it and then click Connect One Account. Blaze returns you to the integrations page, but notice the GoHighLevel card has been moved up into the connected category, letting you know that everything is working perfectly. Now, when you open a blog from your calendar view, notice the status of the blog has changed from draft to auto-scheduled. The preview window has also been updated to show the GoHighLevel platform. Now, when this designated date and time passes, the blog will automatically go live on your website. That's all there is to connecting Blaze with your GoHighLevel account. If this video helped you at all, make sure to give it a like so others can find it just as easily as you did. Also, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.